How to create an account for a customer in AAAPOS RetailManager. In AAAPOS RetailManager, you can create an account for a customer, allowing the customer to make purchases by charging them to an account. RetailManager has a full debtors feature to create and track individual customer accounts. Before you set up the customer account, you need to set up a customer record for the customer. See under the Information menu, then go to Customers, and watch how to create a customer record in RetailManager for more information. Please note, if you turned on account security, you will have to enter your password before you can create a customer account. See Security under the Setup menu for more information. Go to the Information menu and choose Customers, or press Ctrl+U. The Customers window appears. Enter the customer number or name. Click Show Account Details or press F3. The account details for the customer are displayed. Select the Account Customer option to indicate that this is an account customer. Enter your staff number in the Opened By field. When you enter the number, your name is displayed. In the Account Customer Owner field, enter the staff number of the staff member to whom you want to credit any account sales made to this customer. You can leave this field blank if you want to credit the staff member who actually makes the sale. This is particularly relevant where staff members can earn commission on sales. In the Number of Days field, enter the number of days the customer has to pay the account before the account is overdue, and they are put on stop credit. The number of days you enter here will be calculated from the date of invoice. If you want the number of days to be calculated from the end of the month, select the EOM option by pressing the spacebar. Enter the maximum credit limit of the customer in the Credit Limit field. If the customer's limit is exceeded, and you have your account security option turned on in the Security Options window, you will have to enter your password to approve the sale. Please note, you can change the credit limit of the customer at any time. Click Commit or press F10 to commit the information. The Owing and Remaining Credit fields display the amount the customer currently owes, and the remaining amount of credit the customer has. They are display-only fields, and cannot be edited. The amounts displayed in these fields are GST inclusive.